Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. I am Ryan today with Gosling, and today I'll be showing you how to do a lovely, simple, affordable prawn curry. Let's get into it. So first we're going to have to julienne some bell peppers, some onions and some carrots. For people that do not know, julienne is literally just cutting these in thinly cut slices. So now that the vegetables are nicely cut, we're going to add some oil to a hot pan. And to this hot oil, we're going to add half the amount of curry powder, tandoori powder, and all of the pimento seeds. These little things here are the pimento seeds. They're also known as allspice berries. So if you don't see them as pimento seeds, make sure you look out for allspice berries. Now that the curry powder and all the spices are nicely infused into the oil, I'm going to add the onions. Now that the onions are soft and soaked up the infused oil, we're going to add the peppers and the carrots. And now we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of garlic powder to the vegetables also. Now that our vegetables are coated in the garlic powder also, we are going to add 2 cups of water and the rest of our spices and herbs. This includes 3 sprigs of dry thyme and 2 bay leaves. So after we've left all the ingredients to cook out for 5 minutes, we are now going to add some coconut milk. This is roughly 200 milliliters of coconut milk. After adding the coconut milk and letting it simmer for 2 or 3 minutes, this is the perfect time to taste your curry and adjust the flavours to your suiting. Now that you're happy with how your curry sauce tastes, it's the time to add your shrimp or your prawns. I use cold water prawns that were previously frozen and defrosted them overnight. They tasted beautiful. You can use fresh prawns if you want also. Our shrimp curry is nearly there. I just added some corn flour and water mixture just to thicken up the gravy. Also add a Scotch bonnet, 1 whole Scotch bonnet. Depending on how long you keep the Scotch bonnet in the curry for is dependent on how spicy your curry will be. So keeping it in there for 5 minutes should be fine if you like a mildly spicy flavour. And now the curry is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you tried the recipe. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Liking the video lets me know what kind of content you guys like. So make sure you check out all the videos and give them a like, comment and subscribe. Share the videos to your family and friends. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay tuned for the next videos. Bye.